you turn the picture on?
I don't know.
Why?
Why do you think I did that?
So we can see?
Yeah, so we could see.
Can we watch Wreck-It Ralph?
We can watch Wreck-It Ralph in a little bit. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to take Mommy right here? You said you want to put Mommy right here?
Yeah. And maybe right here.
You think it's a good idea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to Wreck-It Ralph for a minute.
For a minute?
Yeah.
1 minute?
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to.
Hey, look.
What? I'm looking. What are you pointing at?